Yahoo boys to expert in manufacturing and creation of chips that intercept and all that. Bàbá ìlú payé. Bàbá ìlú payé. Bàbá ìlú payé. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I see a lot of you are happy today. And I feel so excited. Please, a round of applause for the young man, the senator. You know, a lot of you, they didn't want to vote for me. What I'm actually saying is this. It is not everybody you see who looks mature. Actually, it's a group from agriculture. You say a lot of them. What their children will be doing at home, they will be flogging them. That's what the common side will do. But there's no problem. Nigerians, I want to let you know that I feel your pain. And we are also here today trying to create great infrastructure. When I wanted to come into power, they say, they should come. And now we're shaking. I told them, let us employ more than 15 million youths. Put them in the army. What to eat will not be the problem. Our farmers will make more money. Cassava, gari, I know a lot of you are happy with me. But you are trying to prank me anyway. You want to make me feel bad. And they say to bring down fair price. I promise Nigerians that when I get into power, they want hit the ground running. They do. Continue running. Therefore, don't stop running. I have my certificate now. Anyways, I want to let you know that I have my certificate now. So we are coming for 2027. DJ, can you play me something? That was that they say you will not win. DJ, let me celebrate a little. I know a lot of you are surprised, but I'm just happy that we are here today in a town hall, different from Baron. Blue. Hey, you are the one that said that. Anyways, before I leave the stage, I want to take a few questions from the people of Benin City. When I was coming into Benin, I saw your governments are working very well. You have smooth roads. When I was coming, it was raining, but there was no flood. So let's take a few questions and we are done. Please, where's the mic?
Oh yeah, you want to ask Jacob a question? Okay, now. No, they ask the person.
Please be very fast about it.
Ask question. No, there's a question don't lost.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Goski. Oh yeah, you want to ask Jacob a question? Okay, now. No, they ask the person.
Please be very fast about it.
Ask question. No, there's a question don't lost. That person will be.
That's it.
Oh, sir.
My president, sir.
Can you give the microphone to the person who wants to ask?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who wants to ask question?
I'm here.
You want to ask?
Mr. President, sir, why do you still have for increment? At this time of the stage, you're supposed to explain a little price increment, but it's so much. So why still on the same amount? Thank you, sir.
All right. Give the microphone to somebody who has a question.
Long live the president.
Thank you very much.
Mr. President, my question is very simple. Sir, how do you intend to make the life of the youths more comfortable? Because you said you would take care of the youths in your government. Thank you, Mr. President.
A round of applause for him. That is somebody who has the interest and heartfelt feelings for the youth. It's a very interesting question. But before I attend to that, the last question.
Mr. President. Hello, Mr. President. Hello,
Right.
Mr. President. I don't intend using quiz English. I better tell us the way you die. May your voice take over.
All right, distinguished ladies and gentlemen,
One more question.
to answer those questions, I would like you all to know that you should look at this face very well. Whether you like it or you don't like it or when you sleep and wake up tomorrow, I'm still your president.